It's back to school time, and we've built a 9-foot archway for a teacher's classroom made of Talavera patterned tiles. Custom made right here in our workshop. Teachers give so much, they deserve to start the year in a space that gives back something to them first. Let's see how we made it.
So we want to cut a 5 by 5 inch square. We have a square placement here on our canvas. In millimeters is 127. We've selected basswood for our material type, processing on a flat surface. It's 3 millimeters thick, but we want to measure to the top of the material since we have it on our base plate. I'm perfectly fine with the default settings, so no changes there. It looks like it's going to be 100 power, 146 speed, 44 passes. Let's process and see how long it'll take. 2 minutes, 41 seconds. Let's go. Okay, now let's do that 3 more times.
Overall, we cut 210 5 by 5 inch tiles out of basswood, and now we need to lay them all out to put on our base coat of white. We also used our X-Tool F2 Ultra UV laser to make the stencils so that we could paint on our pattern on each tile by hand very easily. Let's watch as our laser cuts out each of our stencils. Quick visit to the local home improvement store to select our perfect paint. There's many options, but we walked away with strong will. To keep things light, we used foam for the base of our arch. We laid out our pattern to make sure everything was in good order, and then started securing everything to the arch. We started with the columns and the keystone tiles, and then moved towards the sides and inside tiles. This is our finished product. Let us know what you think.